Hello and welcome to this Huawei Mate 10 Pro review video. But this is not the Mate 10 Pro. Okay, wrong box, rewind. That's more like it. Now let's unbox the real Huawei Mate 10 Pro. The box is similar to the Mate 9 box, so let's see what's inside. Right on top there's a phone. In other small boxes and compartments you can find a supercharged power adapter, Type-C cable, Type-C headphones, headphone adapter and a TPU case. Also, the phone comes with a protective film pre-installed. This is one beautiful device made of glass and metal. It has a 6-inch screen on a 5.5-inch body, which was achieved by shrinking the bezels. The screen itself looks gorgeous. It's an AMOLED 6-inch screen with 18:9 ratio with Full HD resolution, always-on function and HDR10 compliance. From this great-looking screen we are moving to the shiny and reflective glass back of the phone, which is populated by two Leica cameras and a fingerprint scanner. Power button and the volume rocker is on the right side of the phone and a double SIM tray on the left. No SD card slot. USB-C port, mic and speaker holes are on the bottom and the IR blaster is on the top. No headphone jack also. Mate 10 Pro sports the new Kirin 970 octa-core processor, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, stereo speakers, large 4000 mAh battery, 8MP front camera and dual Leica camera on the back, 12 and 20 megapixels, f1.6 aperture, optical image stabilization, 2x lossless zoom and 4K video. Transition to the glass back usually brings wireless charging, but not this time, which is not a deal breaker but certainly something to be desired, just like the higher screen resolution or the headphone jack. Fortunately, you do get this Huawei supercharged brick which will charge the Mate 10 Pro's battery to 50% in about 30 minutes. Another good news is the IP67 dust and water resistance. Great for accidental liquid spills or using your phone while raining or snowing, but I wouldn't swim or scuba dive with this phone. Another new feature is stereo speaker setup that is using the top speaker as an additional sound source, which does improve sound quality and richness. Me being Huawei and Honor phone user, I got used to shortcuts, actions and gestures, like swiping the fingerprint scanner to bring down the notification tray, or especially the knuckle gestures, like knocking on the screen to take the screenshot, and that I do a lot. To show the next feature I use the built-in screen recorder, which is also great. Powered by Android 8 and MUI 8, Mate 10 Pro is now capable of 3D touch of sort, or better say a long press that brings up the contextual menus for some applications. Next feature is not new with Huawei, but I have to mention it since I've been using it quite a bit. The app lock, which enables you to lock applications and prevent others from running them without a password or a fingerprint. One thing that Huawei is bragging about is the new neural processing unit, or simply the AI chip of the Kirin 970. Mobiles are becoming smarter and started learning your usage patterns. To optimize the device performance and battery life, Mate Pro also uses AI for photography. It is able to recognize the scene and adjust the camera with the best setting for the current situation. PC or desktop mode is also available with the Mate Pro, and without using any docks or special adapters. You just need an HDMI to Type-C cable to connect the phone to an external display, and it instantly becomes a computer. In collaboration with Leica, Huawei once again brings us one of the best camera setups in the market. Great hardware in combination with artificial intelligence always produce great photos. Go ahead and watch the camera comparison video and see how it copes with the fierce competition from Apple and Samsung. All in all, this is in my opinion one of the best smartphones ever, with great specs, beautiful design and lots of features. Tell me what you think in the comments, and see you soon.